How to check your USB history in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check your USB history. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you'll need to open up your event viewer from your search bar on your Windows. So simply search for event viewer on your search bar and hit enter. So open up your event viewer, and after you open up your event viewer, you'll need to head over to your Windows log. So tap on Windows log, you can expand on this and then head over to system. Select the system option. After you select the system option, what you'll need to do here is tap on filter current log. You'll see it on here, tap on it. And after you do that, under event source, you can simply search for USB Tor here, or you can simply type it in as well. USB STOR. After you search for that, you can hit enter and it will start giving you all of your different logs of your USBs. So I don't have any currently, but all of your event logs, that is including your USB history, will get displayed right here. And that's basically how you check your USB history in your Windows device. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye, take care.